Okay, we have a bird stuck in our hoop.
Go closer.
Don't poke him. Oh, there he goes. Alright, folks, we are going to save a bird today.
With a fishing rod. There it is, it's feathers, and look at that graffiti right there. Its beak is opening. There it goes! Oh my god.
Alright. Okay, we're going to give him some food before the traumatic experience when we pull him out of there. Whoops. Oh, there you go, little guy. Is he eating it? Oh, he is eating it. Helping lives, helping birds. Maybe he doesn't like wheat. Let's try a little more. Here, little guy. Oh, not a good toss. Oh. Eat the food, bird. You need to be strong for the...
Excuse me, Mr. Bird? Got a bird stuck in our thing. So we're gonna snag a bird out of the hole down there, and we better not hit it hard, because then we'll kill it, and then it'll be stuck in there for like 5 years. So you didn't see your brother. You didn't see your brother.
Tie a little piece of bread to the hook, and then it'll bite it, and then you can pull him out like a fish.
Yes? Yeah, I gave it to him.
No, to tie it onto the hook.
Oh, I had him.
He jumped off.
Buddy.
Got him. Got him. Got him.
You got it?
Whoa!
Is it big? Reel it in. Reel it in.
Got him.
Well, reel it in then.
Go. Ah. You got him?
Why are you asking me?
See him?
No.
stuck. Oh!
What do you think would happen if all these things came to your house, and we were out and took something out of your refrigerator?